how to contact my guardian angel Jessie J. Focus and action. This live album on my only friend Jessie J saying about something natural. She say, what about play this song until I say stop? Well, before she said that, I imagined it was natural for me to play this song until I die. Because I love Jessie J. Thank you, Jess.